Hey guys, Garth here. I want to have a quick chat to you today about your lovely feet. So, not everybody likes feet, but they're super important and they're really useful when it comes to moving and keeping your hips and your knees and your lower back pain free. So, a nice little thing to do with your feet is to make them work the stability at the same time as using their full range of motion. So, this is mostly for the control in the toes and the big joint of the big toe, okay? So that's where a lot of your stability is going to come from. I want you to sit down in like a squatting position with toes raised, with heels raised, just like this. And what we're going to do is you're just going to rock directly over your toes with your knee, and you're going to rock forward and touch the floor. So I'm leaning back as I rock forward to keep the balance, and we're putting that through a nice stretch all the way up the arch of the foot. So you're just really building strength in the range of motion. Just 10, 15 reps of that, or say 30 seconds solid of just moving through that position, and you'll actually feel it working quite heavily. Okay, so give it a go. It's always important to look after your feet and let us know how it goes.